Well guys, first major snowstorm for the year, and this is it. This is what we wake up to. Gotta dig out yourself. Welcome to Toronto, Canada. This is what it's like. Sorry if I don't sound, if I sound muffled or something, but I'm wearing a balaclava, hoodie, gloves, everything. Right now I'm just on my way to the mall. Yeah, just out in this. See, this is what you have to be walking in, but no worries, we'll get through it. Look, see, I have no problem with that. No problem with this. If you want to be in Canada, gotta deal with this. But fresh snow all over. Yeah. When I go to the mall now, I'm gonna see if a lot of people are out or everyone is just in because of the snow. See? Yeah. Oh. Wow. This is not nice. Because even though I'm wearing gloves, my hands are still cold. Still cold. Holy crap. This is not nice. But you're in it, so you gotta just deal with it. That's all. From here on out, you won't hear my voice. I'll just keep walking, let the video, the cars and everything do its work. Okay? Oh, look at this kind of scooter. Not even a scooter, wheelchair kind of thing. Right on the road. No fear. Sorry about the camera angle, but adjusting my gloves. Wow. I can't believe how deep this snow is. Wow. It's like compact, see? That's what you're walking on. Yeah. This is cold. Holy smoke. Excuse me, ladies. Thank you. Guys, see, my right hand cold. And look at the gloves I'm wearing. See? But no, still cold. Man, I cannot believe this. We are really wicked to ourselves to stay in this. See some Canada geese up there flying. I can see them, but they're up there. And over there. Oh, this is cold. Oh, man. Wow. Yeah, this is the mall we're coming to. Albion Mall. So, I'm gonna go inside and see what's happening. Convenience store, pizza, Caribbean Heat. Mall entrance. Oh God, this is cold. Huh? I'm gonna hold a seat here. One of these two bad boys and warm up a bit because it is cold. Very, very cold.